To set up a security lock on your Azumi device, first open the Apps menu. Slide the screen up and select the Settings icon. Slide the screen up to scroll through the Settings menu. Then select Security. Select Fingerprint. You will see a description of the various functions that can be used with your fingerprint, including unlocking your Azumi device or making purchases. Select Continue. You will be presented with the steps you will need to take in order to enable your fingerprint. Select Set up Screen Lock. You will be asked to select a backup screen lock method. For this demonstration, we will be selecting Pattern. You'll be asked if you would like to have your pattern required to start your device. Select Require Pattern to Start Device or No Thanks. Once you've made your selection, select Continue. You will need to set up your backup screen lock method. Follow the instructions on your screen to complete setup. To set up a pattern lock, draw a pattern using the dots on the screen. When finished, select Continue. To confirm your pattern, draw it again, then select Confirm. You'll be asked to set which notifications are allowed to show up on your screen while it is locked. Select Show All Notification Content, Hide Sensitive Notification Content, or Don't Show Notifications at all. Once you've made your selection, select Done. To set up your fingerprint, locate the square fingerprint sensor on the back of your Azumi device. Select Next to continue. Place and lift your index finger on the sensor repeatedly, making sure to place it in slightly different positions each time until setup is complete. When finished, you will see the fingerprint added screen. Select Done.